It has come for me to finally install the red logos on my car, and honestly, I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this for a while now. They finally came. It's been like a week. It is a very basic mod, but it's going to be the first of many mods on my channel for this car. I'm going to be covering what logos to buy because there are some that you don't want to buy because of the color. There's a certain color code that Honda actually uses for their red badges. So you want to make sure you get those specific ones. I'm also going to show you where to buy them from because some places, I know officially Honda actually, like the official Honda website, charges around $160 for both logos. Also, it's different for the SI sedan and the coupe. So stay tuned for all that information. Also, I would be doing this install in my garage, but I'm not able to right now. We just got it epoxied and painted. Here's a clip of that. Floors got epoxied, walls got painted. Currently grabbing a screwdriver. Everything's back here before we actually get the garage set up. Flathead. I need flathead and flathead. I think these will work. We are headed off to Zane's house. We're just gonna do it in his driveway probably, or even his garage. Shouldn't be too hard of an install. I honestly think this is one of the mods that completely transforms how the car looks. So here's a question for you guys. Do you think I should do a tune first? Or do you think I should, I actually don't know. I don't know if I should buy the tune first or try to go lower first. I might do the tune first, we'll see. I might have a race coming up. If you wanna see that, make sure to subscribe. Just arrived to Zane's house. Got the car in the driveway. Got the package. Gotta open it up. Oh, another package!
A package in a package.
Alright, that's one and that's two, perfect.
Another package in a package.
Oh, yo, actually this is important. So when you're buying these logos, you actually want to make sure you have this code right here, 75700TGH-A01. If you have that, you know you have the official logo and it'll be the right color. And you want to make sure also it has that red Honda bat or Honda sticker on it as well. But like, those are gonna look fire on this car.
Another package in a
package. Oh my god, open it up.
Another package.
Yo.
Ta-da.
Yo, this is gonna, this isn't metal. I thought it was gonna be metal. But I think it's for the rear, but come on now. Come on now. That's gonna look cool. Oh my god.
That's the back.
Put that on the front? Yeah,
Wait,
that's
let
the
me
front.
see.
That's the front, I think.
You're tripping.
One of them's the back and one of them's the front.
This is the front.
This is the
Which
front?
one's bigger, the back or the front?
I don't know, we have to look it up. Let's see.
The smaller one's in the back.
Smaller one's in the back? Let me see.
And the back.
No, it's not. Not for the sedan. No, that's too big, I think. I think the smaller one's in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, smaller one's in the back.
Even though it's still smaller than the stock one, but it's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, smaller one's in the back. And then I guess the bigger one is going to be in the
tell
front.
from these pins.
Yeah, we can tell from the pins as well. You need a screwdriver on this so you don't ruin your paint. You kind of just want to wedge it in there. I mean, I've seen a lot of people do this and usually it breaks. Because these ones don't have glue on them. The new ones do. These ones don't. You kind of want to wedge it around. And there's two pins right here which we need to get to pop. Yeah. I mean, you might break them. It's fine though. It's gonna snap. I know it's gonna snap.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, wedge it in there and slowly like. These are a lot tougher than I thought. I thought it was gonna be an easier install.
Is it okay if we scratch that? It's gonna cover it anyway.
I guess.
If I take it off.
No, be careful. Be careful. I'd rather not.
See, look right here. Right.
Yeah. The pin, one of the pins broke off on the logo. That's completely fine. I mean, what it is they make sure they put this in here and then there's a little like piece that they actually put it in there. Before you put that in, don't put it in there.
Take the tape off.
Yeah, don't put it in the right way. That's the right one. But yeah, before you, so it takes a little bit of force, but it pops out. I don't know if you're gonna be able to salvage it. I mean, you could just put this back on with glue or something if you're going back, but I don't think I'm going back.
Tape it on. You
You could tape it on as well. I don't think I'm going back. Oh yeah, this one's way easier. These are thin, bro.
Maybe right here.
Oh yeah, the angle is messed up now. Yeah, this one has glue on it, you're right. Man, bro, I was gonna reuse it. Yeah, that's one pin, I think. Why are these so complicated? Alright, that works. That completely works. Yeah, there.
Wait, now you want to take all this off?
I think we can salvage this. Make sure you clean this up. There's a little bit of glue there. So, I mean, this glue's not too hard to remove. Do you have like, I don't know, detailer or something? Just a cloth? Yeah, just take that little bit of glue off. This is completely salvageable. We're gonna put these on later, you know? Yo, what do you think of just a logo delete?
Hell no.
Just completely remove the logo. Yeah, that's good, I think.
You don't want any glue on it.
That's not glue. That's just how it's made. We are dumb. We should have just kept them in the bag and then seen which one goes where. Are we sure the big one's the front though?
It has to be. Look at it.
Let's see. So we put this in right because the pins don't really matter in these because they're not. They don't. Let's see. Okay, yeah, say we stick this one here. So say we leave this one here. Okay. And then from the back, I would assume the back one's the bigger one. Does that look right? Yeah, that does look right. The smaller one goes in the back for reference if you wanted to know. If you're trying to do these at home. Don't try to salvage the logos. It's not really going to help or work, but you know.
If you put a hot, if you air it.
Yeah, if you air it, maybe it'll work. But yeah, let's install these. Make sure we have to make sure they're.
Should I do it?
Go ahead if you want. Do the honors. Make sure they're completely centered. Because I remember, I don't know if he's gonna watch the video, but Cameron Hill, another YouTuber with the 10th Gen SI, I watched his video on it, and front one wasn't centered. So I learned from your mistakes, bro.
I can't really center it. This clips.
Don't center it. Like, make sure it's not lopsided. Like, make sure it's. Yeah, that's fine. That looks fine. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's beautiful. It's perfect. Yo. That's good. That's good. That looks so good.
Feels. Wait. Push it. Maybe I should hold it for a second.
Yeah. Just put some pressure on it for a good, I don't know, 30 seconds. Damn. I time to the rear. Oh my god, that looks so good. Can't really see me. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. I'm not good with this type of stuff.
Yeah, no, you can't even put an iPhone screen protector on.
Exactly. Oh, this is actually nice. It doesn't go lopsided at all. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Spray. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Oh, these look sick. I mean, like going from this to the, I can't even imagine the old ones on there. These just look so clean. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the result. That's the thing. That's the thing. I mean, they also add like 10 horsepower. Did you know that? Because they're lighter.
I think it's 15.
Oh yeah, 15. They're really light.
Type R one.
Yeah, they're the Type R one, so they actually had 15 horsepower. So I got a power mod out of it as well as a new load. Yeah, with sport mode it's 20. Done with these red center caps, right?
Yeah.
They're expensive, but I mean, for now they would look amazing on the car. Red center caps. These also I have to get rid of. The next mod I'm gonna do, trimming for this coming in, or came in.
Even more now, 'cause, like,
That's what I'm saying. So once I get rid of the trim, it'll look so much better. I'm very happy with how this came out. I can't wait to do more mods. If you want to see that, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.